4:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Windsor Locks, or near Windsor, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Enfield, Vernon, Windsor, Agawam, South Windsor, Simsbury, Bloomfield, Longmeadow, Suffield, East Longmeadow, Ellington, Tolland, Windsor Locks, Stafford, Somers, Granby, East Windsor, Southwick, Monson, and Wilmington. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Include portions of central, eastern, northeastern, and western Massachusetts, including the following areas in central Massachusetts, northern Worcester, Massachusetts, and southern Worcester, Massachusetts. In eastern Massachusetts, central Middlesex, Massachusetts, and northern Middlesex, Massachusetts. In northeastern Massachusetts, western Essex, Massachusetts. In western Massachusetts, eastern Franklin, Massachusetts, eastern Hampden, Massachusetts, eastern Hampshire, Massachusetts, western Franklin.